Now today, we got the C43 AMG 2024. Now before all y'all saying in the comments, I should have got the C63. This thing is still going 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. So I kind of don't want to go overboard and don't want to overdo it as soon as I get this whip. Man, this thing is amazing. I really love the back view the most. 2 exhaust pipes in the back. Of course, we got the AMG grill at the front as well. You got the AMG logo right there to the right. And look at this interior, man. It is gonna be an amplified sound coming from the sound system. It does sound pretty cool. Now I do want to get like a BMW M5, a GT63. That's probably gonna be my next one, a GT63. You kind of hear the burbles. We about to go crazy. It's like so crazy, bro. For a 4-cylinder, that's pretty good. It sounds crazy, bro. Pretty fast too. I don't know if y'all can hear the purple, but the purple sound pretty mean. I just have fun with this car. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this car. So one thing I don't like about this car though, like the climate control is on the screen, so it's no actual buttons. So I actually gotta click the touch screen and do all this stuff. It's kind of hard to focus on that while you're driving. Wish they had buttons. Bully people out the way. Your boy low on gas right now, so we about to see how much it costs to fill up. Yeah, we got to put 93, nothing but 93. Yeah, I gotta use gloves because I don't trust these dirty people. The mud be dirty, bro. I'm just saying. So let's see how much it take to fill up. Yeah, then I forgot the screws, so I had to put a sock on here. So I want to see my license plate. It's a Nike sock, by the way. It ain't no regular sock.
Lucky you didn't get pulled over, bro.
Literally, bro. They're like, why does this dude got a sock on his license plate? But hopefully, like I'm putting 50 right now. Hopefully it fills it all the way up. I would damn near low on gas, like all the way low on gas. So we're gonna see what 50 do. That easy, man. Bruh. Ain't no way, bro. It's like dang near a truck. Not that bad though. It's like basically like a truck though, bro. Like I have to pay like over $60 to fill this up. I mean, I'm not tripping. I'm just saying, like, Jesus, bro. It's a 4-cylinder. So you would think a 4-cylinder is gonna save you on gas, but not really. Especially gas prices being what it is right now. So it would have been a little bit better. It is what it is, though. Pretty sure anybody that has an AMG is not tripping about the gas. So we got the lights, ambient lighting. Man, that shit. So you could really pick any color you want. You know what I mean? But to me, like, blue goes the hardest, or purple. So I'm gonna just leave it at blue. This is a POV view of the C43 AMG Mercedes. Man, like I said, for all y'all saying I should have got the 63 or the 63 better or whatever, this thing is going 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. The 63 is not even a second faster. But I don't think what they're asking for, the price of what they're asking for is worth paying that. You know what I mean? And it still has a 4-cylinder. It's not even like the older models of the C63 has a V8, but the newer ones coming out, like the 2024 version, it's a 4-cylinder. 2025 version, 4-cylinder. Maybe in the future it's gonna come out with better, or a V8, because they have been getting a lot of complaints about the C63 used to be a V8 and now it's not a V8 anymore. I'm gonna give this a pull one more time before we get on the highway. I gotta do a launch video for y'all too, so y'all how this thing launches, because it does have a launch. So it still sounds nasty. I'm like barely pushing on the gas. Like you gotta leave some room between like the person in front of you. You know what I mean? Because this thing gonna take off like. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Whatever car y'all want me to get next, or whatever car I should have got, put it in the comments. Follow me at JSK24 on Instagram. And we out. Pretty big. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty big.